Hi there.
What's in your hand?
What is this? This is the model of the solar system. The Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter.
Who's made it?
Who's made it? Nobody's made it. Came into existence all by itself, from nothing, by nothing, as if it has created it itself.
That is crazy.
Do you think that's crazy? Do you think that's crazy that model cannot come into existence itself? How come the real solar system and the real universe, where you think atheist thinks that the real universe has come into existence from nothing, by nothing, as if it has created it itself? Is that not crazy? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, we're going to prove that God exists, the Creator exists, beyond any shadow of doubt. If there's any atheists or agnostics, please listen carefully. The Creator is referring to you in chapter number 52, verse number 36. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Bal la yuqinun. Rather, they're not certain. They are atheists. They are agnostics. What is the message specially for the atheists? Message from the Creator is Creator has asked 3 questions from the atheists. Now I'm going to put these 3 questions to you. Very simple questions, very simple answers, yes or no. Now the first question from the Creator to the atheist. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Am khuliqu min ghayri shay'in. Were they created by nothing? So the Creator is asking you, atheist, that were you created by nothing? What's the rule? Before the universe began to exist and when there was absolutely nothing, what's the rule? The rule is from nothing comes nothing. Nothing can create nothing. So the Creator has asked you a question, were you created by nothing? By no one, by nothing. The second question from the Creator, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Am humul khaliqun. Are they the creators of themselves? Were they the creators of themselves? What's your answer? Did you actually create yourself? What's the answer? No. If no, you didn't create yourself. Someone must have created you. The third question from the Creator, chapter number 52, verse number 36. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Am khuliqu as-samawati wal ard bal la yuqinun. Or did they create the heavens and the earth? Atheists, did you create the universe? If the answer is no, it proves that Creator has created it, not you. Recap, 3 questions are: were you created from nothing? Did you create yourselves? Did you create the universe? So if your answer is that you were not created by nothing, you didn't create yourselves, and you did not create the universe, it proves beyond any shadow of doubt that the Creator has created you. Moving on to Kalam's cosmological argument. The third one, the 3 statements, the 3 arguments, the third one is the deductive one. It is deduced from the first 2 premises. If the first 2 premises are correct, the third one must be true. The first 2 premises, number 1, everything that begins to exist has a cause. Anybody disagrees? No? Second, the universe began to exist. Therefore, the universe has a cause. You can name that cause anything: Creator, Allah, God. But beyond shadow of doubt, it is proved that Creator exists, God exists. Atheist is going to turn around and ask you a question. The atheist will ask, okay, you said anything that begins to exist must have a cause. What's the cause for the Creator? Who created God? Atheist asks this question, that who created God? Congratulations, from now onwards you're not an atheist anymore. Why? Here's the proof. if you ask who does this laptop belong to, it means you've agreed this is a laptop. Now all you want to know is just more information that who does it belong to. Now you asked a question, who created God? It means that's a proof that now you believe in the existence of God. You just want to have more information about God, that who created God. Now what are the consequences of not believing in a creator? Chapter number 52, verse number 11, woe on that day to non-believers. Number 13, the day when they're shoved into the fire of hell. Number 14, this is the fire which you used to deny. Number 16, burn in it. Whether you're patient or impatient, it's the same for you. You're only being repaid for what you used to do.